morning, spectator. Please recognize this plant. This is a medicinal plant. This is very important. You have to recognize this plant. This plant is meant for all patients, those who are suffering in piles and fistula disease. This plant's root is a very essential for immediate recovery of medicinal plant. Please overlook these things and recognize this plant first. So far as your hygienic purpose is concerned, first of all, you have to recollect this plant's root first. Thereafter, you have grinded with these roots properly, and thereafter you have to use 3 to 4 pieces of black pepper there, and thereafter drink with a cool water for early morning in the empty stomach, and in the evening also in the empty stomach. Please overlook these things. This is a very important and essential medicinal plant so far as hygienic purpose is concerned. I request to all of you, first you recognize and realize this fact first. What I say, what I give some understanding way to you, you should have acknowledged first. Thereafter, you have to recollect this plant's trees and the plant's root. Thereafter, you have to use it properly for a week. Thereafter, that disease of piles and fistula will immediately curable within an hour also. So please overlook these things and recognize this plant. It is a very important medicinal plant. This plant's flowers are very smiling with a very gentle manner. All can smile this and smiling these flowers also. It is a very good thing for essential for hygienic purpose. So all should recognize this plant first. It is a very good for. Be recognize and realize in your mind and realize in your heart first, and overlook that this is a very essential for hygienic purpose for all persons, patients, as well as those who are studying in Ayurvedic college. They have also good for them for recollecting some data regarding the immediate curable of a patient from piles and fistula. Please overlook and recognize and realize in your fact. Thank you. Namaste.